In this tutorial we will show you how to export the model of a condominium from AxisVM to Sketchup and then make a rendered image of it at the end of the transfer. To do this, first select File, Export menu item, then the IFC file type in the opening dialog box. The architectural model must be exported. The possibilities of the static model are not needed in this case. Then change to Sketchup. In Sketchup, choosing File, then Import allows you to open your IFC file. At the end of the loading process, close the notification panel. Then rotate the imported model. Move it to a position that is at about eye level and provide a relatively attractive perspective. Now start the rendering and wait until the result you get fits your needs. This process might take a little while, so be patient till it ends. By clicking the Save button, name the file and finally admire it. With AxisVM software there is no limit you can make.